Guys, welcome back to another new video. Today we make in this website using HTML and CSS. uh, it's some background, a background, login, sign up, and logo in navigation bar. Background. So we make this website using HTML and CSS. So let's start build up the website. And first we create a HTML file, name index.html and style.css. So first we generate a boilerplate. Website name is something, my website. So first here navigation bar and a header. First we create a header tag and nav. Like first we did logo image. You see this logo, so we write image and logo. Second ul li anchor sorry yes explore. We write explore and copy paste and shift all down arrow. Shift all down arrow. Copy and how it work. Copy and paste. Then shift gallery. Then alt shift down arrow. So we can make this URL section, and last we make btn button, btn to anchor first login. Then we pressed alt and shift down arrow and copy paste. You see we open this page in live server. Loading. You see this website is structure ready. Navigation bar. So we add background, hero copy. We add link style. So firstly we add font family import and war worktions. This font's family name worktions, and we create a body background. It will be 181210. So you see this background complete, and star mark, and we make star mark. Font family it will be workshop serif, and margin 0, padding 0, box size in border box. So we make nav and display, it will be flex. align item to center, and justify content space around. You see in this logo. So in this logo, width 107 and height 56. So we made and dot logos under img with 170 pixel and height 576 pixel. See now height hidden. You see this logo in his size. We add padding enough 20 pixel, and then we create an UL display. It will be flex listed none and gap 50 pixel. It will be 50 pixel. So li under a text decoration none, color color it will be E5s. So you see this color, it's not for, yes, it's work. So then we add font size. No, we can't add font size. Then we write btn and a text align, text decoration none, padding 20 pixel, 30 pixel, border 2 pixel, solid sometimes. So you see it is no comfortable in this. We create $100 pixel 50. You see is what? So it's 20 pixel and 30 10 pixel 30 pixel, no 50 pixel. Yeah, it is comfortable. So we add border radius 20 pixel. No, it's not comfortable. 30. Yeah, it is comfortable. And color you see this. Second, we add background, animation background and a hover background. Sorry, background color EF 0D. You see in this background, border 1 pixel and border none, transition 5 second, 0.5 second. No, sorry, background transparent you see. uh, Sorry, background border color you see in this buttons. Perfect animation. We add space in these buttons. Margin right 5 pixel. You see in this gap buttons. So we add this. First we add a background in uh, header. In background pg image url quotation images hero dg and header height 100 vh. Background size contain 10%. Background repeat no repeat bg repeat no repeat bg position center bottom bg size 60%. You see it's fixed. No, 50% is better. 50% is better. So you see this image fixed in this website. So we add a hero content. First we write a text. Second we paste this and we cut these btns. So you see this, sorry, input hero color ff and this font size 66 pixel. So we create a h1 text name, font size 66 pixel, font white 600, and we add this breaking line. They are breaking line, you see, and we add another p text align center, font size 20 pixel, color you see this is set almost complete. Now we add padding 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel to 200 pixel, 300 pixel, 400 pixel, 500 pixel, 6. Text is comfortable. We add more paddings, 800 pixel, 700, sorry, 600, and word spacing, line height, letter, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3, and line height, 157.4%. You see, this website is complete. It's navigation, logo, explore navigation, explore how it works, gallery, FAQs, logins, sign up, this app, to sign up, yes, this background text, NF red filling, creative and economy. So goodbye. uh, you like this video and subscribe this channel.